Happy holidays. Today we got a video from the finest Cam, and the title of the video is Caught Swiping Price Tags at Walmart.
Whoa, you didn't pay for all your items.
What?
You didn't pay for all your items.
Yes, I did.
No, you didn't.
No.
In my office.
I had a receipt. I mean, not a receipt, a gift card,
Come on.
Let's go.
That's not their weed.
Sir.
That way.
Okay.
You don't need a ground. Don't
Okay.
It's not that big of a
It is.
Is that what it meant?
Do you want to just take this all?
You put
Okay.
everything in? Everything?
But have a seat. Do you have our ID?
Yeah. I can pay for it.
Well, you've had the opportunity to pay for it.
Well, I had a gift card and then it didn't work, and then it was like a whole thing.
880 Fox. Can you show me how to contact, please? You have your ID?
Yeah. I can pay for it. It's not a big.
You've already had the chance to pay for it.
I know.
Okay, let's see this ID. Okay, have a seat. Okay.
I know.
I'm not sure what's going up with you, but go ahead. Let's stand up.
No.
Let's stand up.
It's okay. I
don't know what.
Can I?
Nope.
There's nothing.
Yeah,
Sir, can I just come put your hand behind your back?
you making too many funny movements, man. Might have to get you together.
Can I just talk to you? Can I just talk?
Relax. Anything illegal on you I need to know about?
Nothing. Is there just anything we can talk about? I can pay for it. I just feel bad. I don't.
Okay.
This isn't me. I know. This is my wallet. My keys. I don't have anything. I just don't have it. You can't go through my wallet.
I can actually. Okay.
That's my personal property.
880 Fox. Can you send me one more, please?
Sir, I apologize.
Okay.
I will. Okay.
Wait, can I hear one more?
I don't have anything on me, dude. I promise. There's nothing in my pockets.
Okay.
I didn't do it. I swear, please, officer. I understand what I did. I won't. I know. I get it.
Have a seat.
I'm sorry. Can I just
Have a seat.
Okay, I'm sorry. I just wanted to apologize. I'm sorry. Sir, can I just apologize? I'm sorry. It wasn't. It's a mistake. I know. It's
Yeah.
stupid. I know. It's stupid. It's dumb. I know. And I know. I just want you to give me. That's all. Just give me a chance. Just let me pay. Go on my day. And
You've had the chance to pay.
I know.
They even stopped your transaction so that you could go back and pay.
With the
Yeah?
Wait, what do you mean?
They paused your transaction.
With the card or the
Yeah. When you had to have the other person come and unlock the.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
I apologize. So I do. You're right. No, you're right. I just want to have
This. Oh, yeah.
Can I just have the second opportunity?
What's that?
I just want to have the second opportunity. Make things right. That's it.
That's not going to happen. You've already had the chance to pay.
He's way over.
I'm sorry. I apologize. I know, hon. I'm sorry.
Is this his?
Excuse me, hon.
What's up?
Yeah, that's mine. Yeah. I just
Okay.
want to know what's gonna happen. I don't want to get arrested. I won't come back here. I'm sorry. I understand.
Have you ever been caught from
No,
Walmart?
no.
Well, I'm going to take your picture.
Okay.
So Walmart has a low double-digit number that we prosecute over.
Okay.
One of their items. The triple pack steaks
Yeah.
is double our amount.
Okay.
So you're like 3-4 times our prosecution limit.
Okay.
So we are going to prosecute you.
Please, no.
No,
Hon, is there any?
no, and don't call me.
know. I'm sorry. Is there anything I can do?
Yeah, you can.
I know. No. Just please. I know. I know
Look
what
at
I
my
did.
face.
I know.
Time out. Look at me.
I know.
Do I come across as a nice person? The answer to this is no.
Okay.
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 Does it look like I have sympathy for you?
No.
Okay. So is there a need to ask me anything else?
I just want to see if there's any.
No.
Okay.
That next
What's-
question that you just asked me is what I told you you didn't need to ask me.
What-
Because there's nothing that you're going to do that's going to make me not prosecute you.
Then I'm going to read.
You know what? I like her attitude. It sounds like she would make a great correction officer. No. No. The answer is no. It's always no. Okay? No. You understand? Do it look like I'm a nice person? No. I love it. You know? When they ask you something, it's always no. It's easy to turn a no into a yes than turn a yes into a no. If you soft, you always gonna say yes, 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 yes. And inmates prey on people like that. You give a little, you give an inch, they're gonna take a mile. But if you just no. 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 It's one of my favorite words. Anyway. This guy, I want to know how many times he says, I know. I wish there was a counter of how many times this guy said, I know. I know. I know. I know, hun. Hun. I know. Hun. Hun. Can I make it right? I know. I know. It's stupid. I know. I know. Sir, I don't have anything. I know. I know. I know. Well, know this. Your ass is going to jail, okay? Your ass is going to jail, man. Know that. Act right, man. Get it together.
Miranda rights.
Sir.
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him or her present with you while you're being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, won't be appointed to represent you. You can decide at any time to exercise these rights and not answer any questions or make any statements. Do you understand each of these rights I've explained to you, yes or no? What's that?
Yes.
Yes? Having these rights in mind, do you want to talk to us now, yes or no? No?
What do you mean?
Do you want to talk to us about all of this?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Let's start off with the steaks.
Yes.
Where do we get the stickers for the ground beef?
On the ground beef.
Okay, and you just took the ground beef sticker and stuck it on the steak?
Yeah. It's not like I have it at my house, so just brought it or something. Can I ask a question?
Sure.
Am I getting arrested? I don't know.
Well, you've already had the opportunity
I know
to
that,
pay
sir.
for this.
Sir, I know that. But
If
it was
everybody
a
walked
mistake.
out with $144 worth of stuff,
Sir, I understand.
Okay.
I do. And I will never do this again. I swear to God.
so how much stuff did you pay for? Well, what it was the...
I think it was like $50 or something.
Okay, and then how much did you not pay for?
I'm not sure.
What do you?
Think
What's your
the amount?
guess? Yeah.
I don't know.
What's your guess?
I don't know. 60?
60. Okay.
No. I'll say 100.
Okay. 100. And do we have $100 to pay for all that stuff?
Yes.
On what? Cash, debit,
Debit.
debit card?
Yeah.
So why didn't we pay for the other $100 worth of stuff?
Well, I have $100. I don't have that's what damn well I have. So
Okay. What's illegal in the wallet? Okay, you didn't want me looking in the wallet. Am I going to find something illegal in the wallet?
I didn't know what you were doing. I just assumed.
Okay, because I'm going through that next.
Okay.
Nothing illegal?
Just an ID.
Okay,
That's it.
an ID from where?
What do you mean?
Well, what am I going to find?
You can't go from my wallet.
I can actually.
Huh? Why not? Because that's my personal property.
Okay, so I'm going through that next.
Am I right or am I wrong?
You're wrong.
Okay. Sure.
So am I going to find anything else illegal in the wallet besides the ID?
No.
Okay.
No. There's nothing illegal wrong. Yes.
And what's wrong with the ID?
Huh?
Is it? It's not real?
No.
Okay. All right. Anything else you want to tell me?
No.
Okay. So which are you, Logan Brindisi
Yes, sir.
or Roy Logan?
Brindisi. Logan Brindisi. Logan Brindisi.
You're not Roy.
I'm Logan Roy Brindisi. My last name is Roy Brindisi.
Okay. So who's Roy Logan Brindisi?
That's me, Logan Roy Brindisi. I just said that.
Okay. And then who is
Logan Brindisi.
Logan Jason?
Logan Jason is my middle name.
Well, which is it? Is it Roy or is
Your phone.
Logan?
What?
What's your name?
Logan Jason Roy Brindisi.
Thank you.
So this is you.
Yes, that's
So then who's this?
I don't know.
Oh my lord.
I don't know who that is.
Well, it's your picture. Birth date is, on this one, it's 04, 2004, and then this one's 2002.
Okay.
This guy is cooked, man. This guy is cooked. You got fake IDs. You got all types of stuff going on, man. That's why he ain't want you to go through the wallet. Over some steaks? He doing this over some steaks, man. Listen, trust me. We all love a nice, good steak now. You know what I'm saying? Whether you doing it in the frying pan, you doing it on the skillet. Whether you grilling it, you doing it on the George Foreman grill. We all like a nice steak now. You bake it. You can fry it. You know what I'm saying? I don't know too many people that fry it, but you know, you can air fry it. You know, I don't know about that neither. But we all love a good steak, man. But I wouldn't recommend going to Walmart and changing the stickers for the steaks, even though I know that they're expensive, to switching them to ground beef, okay? A ground beef package does not look like a steak package. Oh, boy.
So this is you,
Yes, that's me. Yes.
but this is your picture.
Oh my god.
Alright. You still around?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna switch your here so I don't have to go outside.
Yes, you the bar. Yeah. Wax on, wax off.
Alright. This way. You know how long the check booking? It depends how many people are in front of you. I
We're
mean,
gonna identify you by the fingerprint, so.
Okay. So we'll figure it out.
Yeah.
So, okay. I'm sorry, guys.
sure.
Can I have my hat? You just can't help
Alright, I gotta hold
All right.
it.
You have
Look
my,
that way.
do you guys have my wallet?
I got everything.
Stuff?
Everything's
Okay.
going. Look that way.
All right, damn, that's like way too soon. Do you know how much how much it is the bond is or like whatever it is?
That's not the jail. We don't.
Oh, okay.
We deal with is the judge who started the money.
Well, it shouldn't be like I just gave. It wouldn't be like a ton, right? Or like not a lot, right? Because
Huh?
it shouldn't be like a lot, right? Or
No, usually you
that should be okay. Just
pay 10% of the amount.
okay.
To bond.
I appreciate you being I don't know. You're being pretty nice to me. All right. Thank you. Hey, officer, I'm sorry, for all this. It's just stupid, You live and you learn, though. I don't know. I'm sorry. I don't have like I don't know, like I don't have a track record or anything. Like, that's just I don't know. Like I've never been arrested, so this is like, well, like I don't know. I'm not a bad kid or anything. I'm just, down here. I just, money. I don't know. I can say whatever, but it doesn't matter. I just appreciate, like you're being pretty cool about everything. That, so I appreciate it.
He didn't try to run, he didn't resist. In fact, he was fully cooperative with officers. But even with calm behavior, the consequences were already set in motion, and now he'll have to answer for it in court.
Yeah, man. If money is tight or whatever, man, you don't know how to make struggle meals and make it stretch. You need steaks. And you better go get some boxed macaroni, cut up some kibasi or something, cut up some hot dogs or something, chop them things up. There you go. There's your next meal for the next 2 days, man. You better learn how to make some tuna fish sandwich, some peanut butter and fluff sandwiches. You better figure it out. You better figure it out, man. Some rice and beans and hot dogs or rice and beans kibasi. Those type of meals cost less than $5. That's like I say $7 or less, man. If you're struggling, man. $7, $8, you got meal for the next 2 days, man. You know what to tell you, man. Slice of bread, what, $2, $1, go get you 4 cans of tuna fish. You know what I'm saying? You probably already got some mayo or something, you know? There you go. Shit, I don't know. Anyway, just kids doing stupid stuff, man. Yeah, so I get officers, man, and the loss prevention. She did a fantastic job. I loved it. 5 out of 5 from me. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did, and I'm gonna catch you in the next video.